2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Listen carefully. Difference is 3. My way of solving little aptitude is a little different. Difference is constant in one step. So it is a linear expression with a degree 1 for n. There are no d's in my nth term. T1 is nothing but 2. 1 is nothing but a into n is 1. N is 1. So a plus b. If I take n value 2, 2 is nothing but 5. So it is nothing but 2a plus b. If I simplify, a is 3. If a is 3, 2 equivalent to 3 plus b. So b is minus 1. B is minus 1, a is 3. So Tn is nothing but 3n minus 1. Unfortunately, in some textbooks it is written as 2 plus n minus 1 into 3, which is 2 plus 3n minus 3. I will use this logic to solve difference 2 times, 3 times and so on. I hope it is clear.